YouTube channel. In this session, we will learn about how to join 3 or more tables in SQL. That's right. So far we have a fundamental understanding of how to join 2 tables. But in a few situations, you might have to extract the data by joining 3 or more tables, right? So that's exactly what we are going to discuss today. So that's it. If these are the type of videos you'd like to watch, then hit that like and subscribe buttons and the bell icon. Here we will be using 3 tables: employee details, employee register, and employee joining register. So we want employee name, contact number, and joining date. Joining date is available in joining register, contact number is available in employee register, and employee name is available in employee details, right? So here we are utilizing all 3 tables and joining them to extract these 3 columns. So here I'm providing the table name and the column name to make sure that the SQL workbench will not get confused which employee name column should I access, which table should I use. So to clear that confusion, I'm providing the table name. So MySQL will use employee details table, and from there it will extract the employee name column. And contact number, to be sure it is present in only one table, so it will go to employee register. And joining date, it is also present in only one table, so no need to specify the table name. But to be on safer side, if you want to add, you can add, that's well and good, and it will create an impact to your interviewer considering that you know about the syntaxes. So I'll just follow the normal syntax the way I'm going now. And now I'm trying to join. It's the same operation what you use to join 2 different tables. So you'll just use the join clause and give the second table name and on what basis. So I'm joining these 2 tables on the primary key employee ID. So both tables have the same common employee ID. So based on that, I'm joining these 2 tables, and then you will use the join clause once again and give the third table name here, and based on which primary key or which common key. So this is the one which is common in both the tables and is unique, which is the employee ID. So I'm using the same one to join the 2 tables with the third one. You can follow the same syntax and join another table to it as well. So with this, let's execute this particular query to find our answer. So there you go, you got the query executed and you have the table over here with employee name, contact, and joining date. So with that, we have come to an end of this session on how to join 3 or more tables in SQL. If you have any queries regarding any of the topics covered in this session, or if you require the details or resources that we used in this session, like code document or PPT, then please do let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be happy to resolve all your queries at the earliest. Until next time, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.